Golden Choice Marketing Sdn Bhd, established in 2010, is a leading supplier of food and beverage products in Malaysia, serving restaurants, cafés, and chain stores across the country and internationally. Known for our reliability and innovation in supporting business startups and expansions, our product portfolio includes a comprehensive range of high-quality items such as premium coffee and tea, dairy and non-dairy alternatives, syrups, toppings, and specialized ingredients like barista-grade coconut milk. We collaborate closely with suppliers to stay ahead of market trends, ensuring our offerings meet the evolving demands of modern consumers. At Golden Choice Marketing, we prioritize customization and innovation, tailoring our products and services to meet the unique needs of our clients. Our commitment to quality is reflected in our halal-certified products, which adhere to the highest industry standards. In addition to our extensive product range, we provide value-added services, including menu development, staff training, and operational support. Our goal is to empower F&B businesses to achieve maximum profitability and efficiency, helping them deliver exceptional customer experiences. Golden Choice Marketing is your trusted partner in the F&B industry, dedicated to fostering growth and success in the competitive market.